Although we have looked at some of this already, in this lesson, we will cover a bit more on the app authoring menu and the app authoring options. The app authoring menu is an essential part of app authoring that allows you to switch between different data sources and insert options. It provides you with an easy way to navigate through the different parts of your app and helps you to quickly access the data sources and options that you need. To access the app authoring menu, simply click on the menu button located in the top left-hand corner of the app authoring screen. This will open up the menu, and as we've seen already, the first is the tree view. The tree view is a feature in the app authoring environment that provides a tree view of all screens and controls in the current app. This feature makes it easy for you to navigate and manage your app's content. By using the tree view, you can quickly jump to any screen or control in your app and make any necessary changes. Insert is another essential feature in the app authoring environment that allows you to add different controls to the screen. With Insert, you can add anything from text boxes and buttons to media and charts. This feature provides you with a wide range of options to customize your app and make it more functional. Data is an essential component of any app, and the app authoring environment provides you with the ability to add or remove data such as tables that the app connects to. By using the data feature, you can manage your app's data sources and ensure that your app is always up to date. Media is another important aspect of app development, and the app authoring environment provides you with the ability to insert or remove media from the app. With media, you can add anything from images and videos to audio files and animations. This feature provides you with a wide range of options to make your app more engaging and visually appealing. Power Automate is a powerful tool that allows you to add a flow using the Power Automate pane. With Power Automate, you can automate tasks and processes in your app, making it more efficient and effective. Advanced Tools is an essential feature in the app authoring environment that allows you to access the monitor and test tools to debug and test your app. With Advanced Tools, you can ensure that your app is running smoothly and that any issues are quickly identified and resolved. Finally, Search is a powerful feature that allows you to select to search for media, formulas, text, and more in your app. With Search, you can quickly find and replace any content in your app, making it more efficient and effective. We will select the tree view to show the screens available in the app. I can click on these arrows to expand and collapse all screens with their child nodes. We can create a new screen by clicking up here. This gives us two options: create a blank screen or create a screen based on a given template. We can see our examples here, such as the scrollable screen, a screen with a list, a screen with a form, etc. We'll go ahead and click on this tutorial screen. Currently, the screen's name defaulted to Screen 2, so let's give this an appropriate name. If I wanted this screen to be seen on load, I can move it up to the top of our tree view. Click the three dots and move upwards. Let's preview this. We can see that this is a basic tutorial with carousel-like navigator where we can go left and right between each step. Going back to our studio screen, note when we select the tutorial navigator control and we take a look at the properties list for the items, we can see the text for each step. For demo purposes, let's change the text inside of the double quotes. Let's change step 0 to "This is a tutorial screen." Step 1 we will change to "This is a second tutorial screen," and so on. If we now preview the app, we can see our updates tutorial text. That brings us to the end of this part. We now know how to navigate between the different screens and how to create a screen from a template. Next, we'll take a look at the Properties pane.